Kananu Mwenda nĩarĩkĩtie kuoya utongoria wa Nairobi ta gavana wa ihinda thutha wa Benson Mutura uria nake wehĩtithĩtio Dithemba mwaka mũthiru ta gavana mũnyitĩrĩri kũmũnengera matamu ma utongoria. Aya ere macenjanĩirie wathani wa ofici-inĩ cia gavana na rĩu Kananu ekũnyitĩrĩra ofici ĩno acoke ehĩtithio ta gavana kuona mũnini wa gavana nĩwe woyaga wathani thutha wa gavana kwehera. Ona gũtuĩka Mutura aranyitĩrĩire thikũ 60 kũringana na watho.
And allow Her Excellency Madam Mwenda Kananu to proceed and assume the office of the governor in a substantive manner. I take this opportunity to thank all those who supported me during this short period I have occupied the office of the governor of this great city.
The oath of office to serve as the Deputy Governor of Nairobi City County last Friday, the 15th January 2021. I once again affirm that I will lead from the front in heeding the call of His Excellency the President to radically improve provision of services in the city.
Mutura acokete gĩturwa-inĩ gĩake gĩa speaker nake ũrĩa ũramũnyitĩrĩire acoke gĩturwa-inĩ gĩake na wona Kananu ehĩtithio nake acagũre mũnini wake.
The Deputy Governor shall assume office as the County Governor for the remainder of the term of the County Governor. Accordingly, I now therefore relinquish my acting as the Governor of Nairobi City County and resume my duties as the Speaker of the Nairobi County Assembly.
Mutura nĩerĩgĩte gũkindĩra thirikari yake thikũ-inĩ iria aratuĩkĩte ta mũnyitĩrĩri wa gĩturwa kĩa gavana na rĩu Kananu onake noguo ageka wona ehĩtithio ta gavana kana atue itua rĩa gũthiĩ na mbere na ndundu ĩrĩa ĩrĩ ho.
I'm not a politician and I will not start being one. I am focused on bringing a new spirit of cooperation, collaboration, partnership and mutual respect with all organs of government.
Aya ere nĩmeranĩire kũrutithania wĩra hamwe na rũhonge rwa NMS rũrĩa rũkoretwo rũgĩtereba tabarĩra cia ũkũria wa matũra.
I also want to assure the incoming governor of my full support. As a county assembly, we shall be available to provide legislative support that may be required. We hope to continue working closely with the Nairobi Metropolitan Services for the benefit of Nairobians.
For avoidance of doubt, my principal partner in delivering services in Nairobi is the Director General of Nairobi Metropolitan Services, Major General Mohammed Badi and his team. Nairobi is now back on course and will remain on course.
Oya wabici Kananu egũkorwo arĩ mũtumia wa gatatũ gavana gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV njĩtagwo Wanjikũ wa Kimani.